Hey everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you how to get 20% off Temu coupon code for each and every customers. So whether you are a new customer or you are an existing customer for Temu, these coupon codes will work for each and every customers. So in order to find it, you just have to simply open your web browser and here you need to search for Temu coupon code. Over here you will be able to see the first website from couponfollow.com. So you just have to click on this link, and as you can see that they have given various types of coupon codes including the 30% off, 90% off, etc. So if you want to see the ratings, then you can see that this particular website and the coupon codes got 4.1 ratings, and these are completely up to date and working as of August 11, 2024. So you just have to select the 30% coupon code and click on show coupon code. Then it will show you the coupon code in front of you. So you can enjoy 30% discount on your purchase when you apply this coupon code at checkout, and they have also given the expiration date of this coupon code. So you just have to copy it from here and then click on redeem at Temu. After that you will be landed on the official website of Temu, where you just have to simply log in into your account if you already have an account on Temu. If not, you can even create your account on it. After that you need to add the products, and you just have to make your cart value above $10 because you can only make the purchase for free if you have the cart value of more than $10. After that you just have to use this promo code and you will be able to get the 30% off at the time of your purchase. So if this video was helpful to you, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.